The 2014 Dodge Challenger. With fewer than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this sporty car combines dashing good looks with great efficiency and utility. Dodge made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, and one-touch window functionality. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Dodge's rigorous certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.